All right, good morning, everybody. Get my window so you can see it here. Please bear with me because I'm using some new screen recording software, so hopefully I'll get through this. I just wanted to do a really quick, short tutorial on how to use the Passion for Purple digital planner with your GoodNotes app on your iPad. If you have already purchased the planner, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for your business. And if you are considering a purchase of the planner, hopefully this little tutorial will answer any questions you might have. And if not, if anyone has any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact me. I'll leave the contact information down underneath the video. So let's get started. You're going to need two different apps for your iPad, and you will need the iZip app because this planner comes as a zipped file. And you will need the GoodNotes app. Both of these you can find on the App Store. The iZip is a free app, and the GoodNotes app is a paid app. It doesn't cost very much. It is very much worth it, in my opinion. So once you have downloaded and imported the planner into your GoodNotes, and you open it up, this is what you're going to see. This is the home page. And I'm going to just walk through this really quick so you can see how I have this set up. If you click on the yearly tab, you'll see that I've added two calendars for 2019 and 2020. And let's go to the monthly. This is month at a glance. All these tabs are basically page dividers, and the pages are behind each divider. So when you click on the monthly tab and you come to this page, you want to swipe to the left with your fingers, and that takes you to a blank page that I've already installed. Click on the weekly tab, swipe to the left, and you'll see that I've installed some blank pages there. And you can change this. You don't have to keep these this way. If you don't like these pages here, you can put whatever pages you want behind these tabs. Here's your daily pages. And I've got one for bills. You can see I've added a few things just so you can see. Here's your expenses pages. Keep track of expenses. Trackers, I have actually two different types of tracker pages. This one is just for meals. And the second one that you can use has meals, exercise, and a water tracker on it. So you can choose whichever one you prefer there. I've got a spot for recipes. Your journal is just basically lined pages. And then I've got some pages over here on the right that are just blank pages for drawing or notes, what have you. You've got doodles, inspiration, ideas, and then a place for stickers. On the left-hand side, I have the month-by-month pages. And I've added a blank calendar under each one. You can see if you just keep flipping the pages, it'll go down through the months that way also. Okay, now what I want to show you also is how to change these pages, how to move them and rearrange them. So if you look up here in the top left-hand corner, you'll see the little 4 square icon. You want to click on that. And it might take yours a minute to come in. Mine's already in because I've done this before, and they're already all downloaded. This is all your pages in thumbnail view. And let's say that we wanted to put a graph page, a blank graph page behind the journal tab instead of the lined pages. So you're going to come all the way down here to the bottom. That's where most of the blank pages are. And you're going to, let's click on this last one. And I just want to make sure that that's a graph page because those thumbnails are so hard to see. So click on the 4 square again. And if you'll notice, this last page that I clicked on, it's still highlighted. It's got a blue square around it, so you know you're still on that page. So you want to hold down on that until it lifts up off the page. And keep holding down. We're going to drag it all the way up. And sometimes you have to jiggle this around. This one went pretty good. And I'm going to find, let's see, I guess I went too far. I want to find my journal divider page. think it's right here. All right, so let's close this and let's go to the journal and swipe one, and there's my graph page. And one thing I did not mention, because I've already done this so many times, when you come down here to this bottom page, before you even do that, click on this little down arrow and you want to duplicate the page. The reason being, you don't want to use up your last blank page and not realize it, because then you can't duplicate the blank page again. So always duplicate the page before you add a new page anywhere. That's all there is to it. You can move these pages around, put them wherever you want, whatever makes sense to you. Now, what I do is I put pages behind my daily, weekly, monthly tabs, and as I use them at the end of the month, then I go and I drag them under whatever month they belong to for storage. And then I have new blank pages for the next month. That's how I set up my journal. It's just easier that way for me. You can set it up however you like. All right, let's go to the bills pages. And right now you're not in editing mode. So let's go up here to the little pencil in the right top hand corner and click on that. Now you're in editing mode. And you can see I've already written a few things in here just to show you. Let's click on the highlighter. And I'm going to choose green. And I want to highlight this right here. Now let's say I wanted to use the pen. I'm going to leave it on the black ink and the medium tip. And maybe I need to add my internet. And it's just that simple. And when you take it back out of editing mode, now your links will work again. Your links will not work while you're in editing mode. I'll show you. Here's what happens if you click on something. It just does a pen mark. So you can click the undo button there. Yeah, you cannot be in editing mode to move around in the journal. You have to click out of that, get to where you want to be, and then click back into it. And again, click the home page to get back here every time. And I hope I've answered your questions. And again, if I have not, you can reach me at digitalplanner.net. You can check out my Facebook or my Pinterest or my shop on design bundles. You can reach me through any of those places. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a great day.